Hello guys, this is Customer with Hirev Sports. So today what we're doing, we are installing brake caliper covers just to make the car look a little bit nicer and, you know, cooler. The install is going to be done on the 10th gen Honda Accord, all right? It should be pretty much the same across the board. Let's go do the install now. So guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to take out the tire. So you guys don't need for me to show you how to take out the tire. It's super simple. I'm just going to speed through this part, okay? This is the one we're going to install. They look pretty cool, right? Love the yellow brake calipers. Brake caliper covers. They're super cool. So it comes with everything that you need. What we're going to do, we're going to remove the top part, put it to the side for now. So what we have to do, we have to clip this part on the side here. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. And in order to clip it in, you might have to maneuver the cover, the shield cover, dust protector thingy. I'm gonna do it, then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like afterwards, because it's hard to hold the flashlight and then put this on at the same time, okay? Okay guys, so let me show you real quick what I have to do. So I was moving this part here and I'm pushing this because it hooks up right here. You see how it's supposed to look? You just push this as much as you can so you can hook this part into it, okay? So once that in, you push it up, it should hold it. You gotta do the same thing with this piece. It goes like this. You gotta maneuver it at the same way with the dust shield so you can clip it on. Okay, now once it's clipped on, then you put the little Allen key this way. Hold on. And put the nut in there. Forgot to tell you guys, in the kit, it comes with the Allen key and this little 10/8, okay? So you need the 8. So you need the 8 to hold it and the Allen key to tie everything to make sure it's not going anywhere. Just make sure it's tight so it doesn't fly off. All right guys, we tied it up all the way in so you guys can see, right? It is so sturdy, it's not going anywhere. There you go guys, and I think it looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let's put the tire so you guys can see what it looks like with the tire on. All right, I'm just gonna speed through that part as well.
It is good.
Okay. Right guys, what do you guys think? I think it looks so cool. I love it. So guys, basically you do the same thing for all 4 tires. So it's very simple guys. It's give the car such a really beautiful look. Anyway guys, that's it. I'll show you the rest of them when we finish them. Let's go and do the front, but I'm not gonna show you the whole thing because the same thing applied to the front. All right guys. All right guys, I just wanted to show you how the front one get hooked up the same way. You put this little plastic this little metal piece in, then you put the nut and bolt here, and these bolts are designed not to come off. So the same thing goes on the bottom here. So it's very easy. It's a lot easier to do the front one because you don't have the little dust shield that you have to move because it clips in right here. That's it guys. I'll show you what it look like during the day. I want to show you the whole car with them on. All right. All right guys, so simple little mat that makes the car look super cool. Look how nice that looks. I love it. I might give you another video, another photo of it when it's all done up, when it's daytime. I just want to get it on and I'll show you. But anyway, tell me what you think. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Peace.